Hi, good morning. Hello, good morning and welcome to the Lean Startup Meetup today. I'm and to see that and meet you guys. And I'm
Yeah,
waiting
right.
for a couple of people to join, but I think Vardhan, I see that
Yes.
you joined.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thanks for joining with us now.
Yes.
How are you? Are you from Vizag or are you from Hyderabad?
Yeah, I am from actually Mangalagiri. I am a BTech
Okay,
graduate.
Mangalgiri. Okay, AP.
Yeah,
That's okay.
Mangalagiri.
Yes,
So you know Telugu also it seems.
yes, yes.
uh, Acha. Basically, I worked in Usha International Limited, a fan manufacturing industry for 12 years, and later
Okay,
I have
okay.
been. I am now working in HBL Power Systems near Duvada. It's past.
Wow,
It's
I
a,
think Usha got a very good industry background. You might
yes,
have
yes,
got
yes.
very good experience from Usha
Yes, yes, yes. I
because
am
it's
a
a well-known
mechanical
brand.
graduate. Yes, yes,
Oh,
yes.
sure. All the engineers want to be entrepreneurs, that is for sure.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
I'm
So
just
basically,
joining a couple of, waiting for other
oh,
people to, I think Anil, he said he's going to join.
yeah, okay,
Let me ping him and see if he is
yeah,
there.
okay,
We are actually on air. So that means this goes on live on broadcast and YouTube, and this will be there.
okay, okay,
Just to let you know.
okay, okay. Basically, Satyagaru, uh,
Yes,
I'm a fresher, you can say it. Okay, even though I'm having
yes.
13 years of manufacturing quality experience, I'm a
Mhm.
fresher to what is going on live like this. Okay,
I understand. I
so
went through that process.
yeah. So what is
I,
happening?
I,
So
I was like
I'm
you a couple of years back,
okay, okay.
so I know how it
So
is.
yeah, yeah. So and there's no idea also around me. Okay. So I want
Yes,
to see what is going on and how it goes. So what is online happening? So I want to see first of all. I'm a Six Sigma black belt person. So I want to start a project also. So no, but I didn't see anything who guides me all these things. Okay.
I think it's a very good introduction, Urdhan,
Yeah.
because being a black belt Six Sigma, I know that how hard it is and how disciplined the people work to get those black belt Six Sigma.
Yeah.
I went through Six Sigma programs in GE. You know that they are very
Yeah. Yeah.
well into uh, Six Sigma process and certification, any level in there, any department, any business unit.
Yeah.
So then I don't need to give much introduction to about the lean.
Yeah. Yeah.
What I can say about it. I think it's good to people have on this group people like you. I'm really happy with that. People are showing interest on that. We will see how. Actually, my idea to start this a group on a meetup is because people like me, they were also afraid of many things. They don't know how they are, which direction they are going on, what are the steps uh, to take for a successful entrepreneurship business idea. I mean, I can say that because many things going on. You may be knowing about just in time. If the information
Yeah.
not in just in time, everybody will be
Yes.
overloaded.
Yes. Yes.
So we need to be careful about that
Wasted.
also. I think
Yes. Yes.
Anil
I
is
understand.
coming online and let me ping him. I think I sent him a message. I don't know why he is.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
to use. Anil should come because I know he's waiting for me to. Adarsh, I'm not sure. I got a message from Anil. He's going to join definitely. I think Anil is going to join us. He's will be joining with us soon.
Okay.
Then I'm back here. Anil is going to join here soon. Yes, actually, I want to just give my introduction also so that you will also get to know me. What is where from I am coming actually. I'm also an engineer, worked for many years. I'm an aeronautical engineer basically. I worked in many companies, DRDO, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Then I went to a software company. I moved to US, worked on US for 2 years. Then I came to Norway, living here for 11 years, working in different companies. And since 3 years, I think I'm not very old entrepreneur, but I'm a very fresh, like have a different background before I entered into business line or start my ventures in 2013. So that is my quick background about it, and we can go through those things as we discuss on. I think what is basically needed here is understand what we want to be, what we want to do in coming 6 months or 12 months. It is not, I don't want to talk about 1 month, or at least minimum 3 months. A step must be kept. That is basically very, very important for everyone to understand what we want to achieve in next 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And I think these are the things, again, drawing to next step is set up goals. Once you have your goals, then you know what is you want to achieve. And then those goals actually clearly be seen, picturize how those goals looks like to you, to me, any other entrepreneur here. So then when you have a startup idea, implementing, avoiding the waste, implementing the lean methodology is a good process. It has been proved. Many big startups, they're using it. That's why I just want to bring this concept, especially the first-time entrepreneurs, because they are not coming either family background of business or not have a small business idea, not yet started, not yet selling anything to the people. That is why this is my background is to share, because I gone through those process, how the mindset and mentality is going to be set up for that. I have experienced it. I want to share it. I want to give it to the people. That is my background, Urdhan. Can you just share yours also a little bit more? Because you have gone a little quickly, but I just want to hear.
Yeah. My full name is Sheikh Urdand Sahib. Okay,
Yes.
I have done diploma in mechanical in 2003,
Uh-huh.
and on a correspondence basis, I have completed my BTech mechanical through JNTU
Wow.
Hyderabad.
Mhm.
Okay, for the first 1 to 2 years, I have been selected in campus interview and worked in Spicer India Limited, an automobile component plant in Hosur, Tamil Nadu. Later, I moved
Yes.
to Usha International Limited. I worked there for 9 years, and so overall total 13 years of experience in manufacturing field. And present, I'm not an entrepreneur. I am working as an quality department manager in HBL Power Systems Limited, Vizag. Okay,
Okay. Okay. I
so
think it's a good. You've gone through a lot of life cycle,
yeah, yeah,
because it's not so easy to set up your goal to become, uh, to be tech educated. You have a goal.
yeah, yeah,
You have achieved it. I think it's a good.
yes.
Congratulations on that, actually.
Thank you so much.
Uh, then next step is like you searching for jobs. This is basically everyone do that,
Yeah,
because I was when I finished my engineering first, my first thing to get a job. I was
yeah,
running, and
that
at least I got it. So that's how the people, we
even
take a step-by-step process and we learn each other. And
yeah,
then changing jobs, because this is why I'm giving this example, is how the lean we implemented already in our life.
yeah,
Because we have a goal, we measure it, we learn it, and again you go through that loop. Okay, I have learned more, I have acquired more knowledge. This can be used for different way. Then you look for a better job because you need a different outcome, isn't it?
yeah. Yes, yes,
So based on that, I think it's you got an automobile experience, and
yeah,
also you have seen different industries, how the
yeah.
technologies are implemented.
Yes,
Because
yes,
when we study either BTech or MTech, whatever you study, either PhD also, when it's not implemented, you will not know how things are works.
yes,
We will only study on the books.
yes,
Whatever
yes,
it is like action and practical is a more useful it. A man with a couple of PhDs, is there is no use if he is not implementing or taking an action or
yeah.
delivering something
Yeah.
to the people. So I think this is very
Hands-on
good
experience
having
should be there.
a, yes,
Hands-on
Shurdan.
experience should be there. The same thing I'm saying. Hands-on experience should be there.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Hands-on experience and having a working knowledge is an advantage
Yeah.
to be an entrepreneur, because when you're seeing how teamwork is playing a big role, because when a business, a managing director or a chairman is sitting there, is not running each and every process in the company. One
Yes.
can see those steps, how the investment they put into the company, and what kind of products they are delivering, how they are handling their marketing department, how their customer service is happening, and from where those other components are coming to build an automobile product or a power system. If you can understand those things, you, but people don't think about it, because when they go for 9 to 5 job, they just, okay, I go and finish to my job and come back home. They don't know,
Yes.
hardly they talk with the HR department and their colleagues. This is the 90% working people life. Do you agree with
Even
me?
though it happens. Yeah, it happens.
Because other than that, I think when the pay slip comes, if there is any problem, then they go to find out why my pay is less or which I is supposed to get more. So they go and talk to those people. That's it. They don't think about how this business is started,
Yeah.
who was the founder, what was his situation. Those things only comes people who want to become like that, people who want to achieve similar things. That's why we every day compare with a successful entrepreneurship.
Yes.
An entrepreneur, like if you look at Narayan Murthy, I'm talking about Infosys Narayan Murthy.
Infosys.
We
Infosys.
all
Yeah.
know they are entrepreneurs. I want to become like them. But we don't see what is his startup day, what is was his 6 months day, what was his 1 year day, how he has crossed those things. Those things are actually comes by a mind state, mental state for each and everything. Once we want to achieve certain things, then we need a kind of a mindset for each and everything. Otherwise, you will not be acquiring that knowledge or using it. Like you studied, even though you're sitting at one other place and working somewhere, you studied BTech, completed remotely. That gives a different mindset. If you go back to your lifetime and think about what was happened to me, how I was thinking about it, that mindset is different than now you have the mindset. Did you see the
Yes.
difference, Urdan, that way?
Yes. I do see, and I do see what is going on in 13 years of experience. I see many people, how you are
Mhm.
telling these things. 90% of the people will not understand how this business is running, who is investing, and how we are going to make profit. All these things, 90% of the employees won't bother about that.
Absolutely.
So only the managerial levels, where cost, everyone works on cost. The managerial people who works on cost, see, we are doing something means it has to be profitable. Why we are putting some money, why we have put some money on that, and what is to be gained from that. So that kind of thing, the border, the down level people won't understand and won't even bother about that also.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah,
That is
yeah,
why actually I just want to share a little bit so that
yeah.
we have a lot of time. We can discuss about your idea and what you want to go further, so that we can share each other. I just want to share my screen showing some. Can you see my screen, Urdan?
No, yeah, one second.
Can you see now? Oops.
One second. No, no, I can see myself itself.
Yeah, I will share it once again. Can you see my presentation now?
Yeah, lean startup for first in entrepreneurs. Yeah, I can see.
Yes. Yes. I just want to, we will just discuss on that, what is actually here.
Okay.
We will see what is actually, how things will change in our lifetime, or thinking of to become an entrepreneurship or economically benefited from what we do every day.
Yeah, that the second thing I want. Okay, okay.
This, yes, second thing is most
Yes.
important for us actually.
Yeah.
So we think about, we want to be an entrepreneur. That is what is actually, or a businessman, to start a business, we can say. Then
Okay.
what we think about, this is my introduction. I've already given a little bit description about it, what is my background about it.
Yeah.
And this is what I think, have you heard about this book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad?
No. Okay.
Yes,
No.
this is a
No.
book actually everyone must read. I encourage
Okay.
everyone to read it, because in this actually he's a Robert Kiyosaki. I am with Robert Kiyosaki.
Okay.
He talks about how a poor man thinks about his economical situation and a rich man thinks about it. So this is all he talks about mindset. He
Okay.
got one poor daddy and one rich dad. How they grow up their kids and how they see a different way. So he
Okay.
looks gives like a story, but he talks about all the economics, how things going to happen, how you need to change it.
Okay.
Read this book. If it is get on a copy of online or something, also
Yeah.
it's not very expensive.
Okay. Okay.
And he explains about, this is called cash flow quadrant. What is happens is, this is first is E for employees, S for self-employed, B for business people, and I for investors. What happens to the employees here? The employee thinks about a job. When he gets a job, then he expect to a payment at the end of the month or bi-weekly, whatever it is. So that's how he runs his economic, his income comes from. Whereas self-employed, like a lawyer or a doctor, he puts his practice, and he can only earn how many hours he works, how many clients he gets into.
Yeah.
That's why this is called self-employed. Even some people do their own, like an electrician, I can say, or
Yeah.
an
Yeah.
engineer, consultant, self-employed
Yeah.
person. So you see the different stages here. Things are,
Yes. Yes. I.
because here in the just he required a job, but somebody has to employ him. Second one is he employs himself, so that he has to find his own job every time.
Yeah.
But he
Yeah.
can only earn how much? But he may be earning more than sometimes more than employer, but he's limited by time on his skills.
Okay.
Whereas third quadrant is a business person. He manages a team of the people with the skills. So his time is not limited, or his skills are not limited. So group of people,
Yeah.
that's how the business person thinks about it. To develop a product or a service, then I can deliver that product with these people. I don't need to be do myself alone, but he runs the business. That's how each founder starts his mind thinking in the beginning. Suppose you are a
Yeah.
founder, you want to start a company yourself. Uh,
Yeah.
you need to start in this third quadrant. We should not
Okay.
think about like an employee 9 to 5, because when we coming from employee life, we think about, oh, I need to start my work at 9 o'clock, stop at 5. That is not the case. Or even as a self-employed, we should not think like, oh, I know only this much, so I can only do this. No, you should think about outside your box. Whom I can bring on
Yes.
as a team, which skills I can bring on to the team. how can I leverage these skills? You know, in companies, they work on shifts. So there is no time limit on
Yes.
companies. Like a
Okay,
self-employed person have the time limit. What do you say, Urdhan?
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, what
So
I'm
that's,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. Tell me,
Go
Satya.
ahead.
No, 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 go ahead.
Yeah,
I'm just
yes. That's how actually thinks about each and every person in a business area. They think about how I can create a product, how I can use these people in a different areas.
yeah,
So that's how an entrepreneur should think about it. Entrepreneur should think about, okay, I am only one developing this product, but how can I bring more people onto this? How can I bring more time, more shifts, uh, so that he gets into a different mindset? Do you see the different how the business people thinks about it?
yes, yes. You wanna-
And on the fourth quadrant, it is an investors. You are aware because you got a lot of background of work experience. You see
Yeah,
how investors thinks about it, because an investor thinks about it. A wise investor understand what he is doing about it, how we want to invest it. His money works hard for him. He will
his
not
money
work.
only works. Yeah, he will not work.
Yes, he will
His
not
money
work.
works.
Money works.
Yes,
On the B quadrant, people will work. He will work sometimes. A smart
yeah,
entrepreneur, he
yeah.
delegates the jobs to other
He,
people. He manages it.
yeah, he involves and manages that.
Absolutely, he involves himself. He manages it. Depends on what knowledge he is having, how the leadership skills he is having. All these things he just goes on playing around in the business. But whereas investors, he is also business person, but he is, depends on his money. Okay, I'm invested $1 million. I need to get 20% return in 1 year. He thinks about that.
Yeah,
He makes sure who is investing there, which business he is investing there. Like, for example, shares, or I can give some examples. Investing in a startup company is also an investor. If somebody is running their business, okay, I will give 10%, they will take a loan from him. This is also kind of investor, because he just put his money, he gets a return. He don't need to work.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that is what is Warren Buffett. You might have heard about him.
Yes,
One of the biggest
yes,
investor in
yes,
this
yes,
world, richest man,
yes.
Warren Buffett.
Yes, Warren Buffett.
So these are the people. If you think about the Reliance or Usha or any other private company, they have these businesses as well as they have the investments,
Yes,
because they invest on a different companies also. They don't run those businesses, but they invest a lot of money from them onto these businesses.
yes,
Understand to become an entrepreneur, how people mindset thinks about these things. So those are the one thing I just want to say. Anyway, you are more aware of what is the lean and what is the things. We can
okay,
discuss more on for when the other more people join here. I think Anil, I
yeah,
don't know when he's going to join. Uh,
okay.
have any questions or comments, or actually I don't call questions, but we can have a discussion on that, around it.
Uh, well, Satyaji,
Yes.
uh, what you have explained me through these slides and what from your from our discussion,
Hmm.
this is an lean concept for a fresh entrepreneur. You said, okay.
Yes.
So I am not an entrepreneur first of all.
Yes.
So I want to work on some projects of lean. Okay,
Hmm.
lean, or you can say
Okay.
Six Sigma. You can say Six Sigma.
Six Sigma. Six Sigma.
Uh,
But
yeah,
yes, do you have
yeah.
long-term plan to become an
Yeah.
entrepreneur or start your own?
Well, I don't have that one entrepreneur to become an entrepreneur and to be an entrepreneur. Okay,
Okay,
so I'll be working only. I will be working and I'll be doing a job only.
okay.
Okay, and
But do you able
I,
to conduct, since you got back belt certification,
yeah.
are
So
you
only
going to,
certification. Yeah, I have all certificate only. I have only certificate. So I have not done any projects.
okay, but you know the theory at
Yeah,
least.
theory
Uh,
I know, and some of the things I applied in my past experience also. Say like,
yes, I agree. That's what I am asking it.
yeah,
You may not be
yeah,
believing
yeah,
it.
yeah,
Once you study the things like a lean, you will
yeah,
be using those on your everyday because it does not
yeah,
go out of your mind.
yes, yes,
At your home, you keep your things in order.
yeah,
You see that if something is getting waste, or why should I waste it? I can reuse it or wait for something. All
yeah,
these things comes into your daily life. You agree or with me or not?
yeah, yeah, very much. I
Because
agree.
once you
Yeah,
do
I
you
agree. I
agree?
agree. Yeah, I do.
Because you liked it and you did that program, and you want
Yes,
to. Why I'm asking these questions is like, but you are in Vizag now. You
yes,
want to work on projects. You said,
yeah,
what
yeah,
kind
yeah.
of projects you want to work on a full-time projects or you want to work on a uh, like a part-time projects or a special project? How do
So,
you want to see yourself?
Satyaji, actually, I want to be a
Mhm.
part of a team where I can give my skills in that.
Yeah, lean and Six Sigma skills.
Yeah,
What I understand.
it may be lean, or it may be Six Sigma, or it may be industrial, it may be manufacturing, mechanical kind of skills. What I am having, I want to
Yes.
I want to share, and I want to be a part of some group.
Okay. Agreed. Agreed. Let me
Yeah, yeah,
understand clearly.
yeah, yeah,
But you want to continue this current job, what you have while you're
yeah,
doing these things?
yeah. Yes, yes, yes,
Of course, that is what is I advise also. I don't say that
yes,
quit
yes.
your job and look for jobs, look
No,
for
no, no.
projects.
That way, that would be that because
Where do
I,
you? I think it's good start. I don't tell that because what I explained these slides and stuff is about mindset of the people.
yes,
When you get a different mindset tomorrow, your things will change definitely.
yes,
I I believe in it.
yes.
You
I have
just
an
remember
example.
that when I say these words.
I have an
Yeah.
example. I am seeing,
Yeah, example is like same thing. When I started my MBA, I thought
Yeah,
I should get a corporate job, go as an executive job or something. But I went to Silicon Valley and looked at all the companies, how the ideas turned into big businesses. And then I said, okay, this is what maybe I'm interested, not a
yeah,
corporate job.
yeah,
Even though I offered, when I finished my MBA, I offered different jobs. Then I said, no, wait, I don't want to take too much load. Let me think what is my interest and what I like. You have stabilized it now because you have got an experience, you are getting a stable income. Now cool down and you think your fashion, you think about your interest. That is why you want to put your whatever you learn now. You want to be part of a team.
yeah,
You want to be part of giving something so that you will be feeling that I'm doing great. I'm sharing some technology to the people. I am sharing my knowledge to the people. That's what I understand from you.
yes, yes. Yes, yes. That is
So what
you
I
have understood me correctly.
yes. So what is that is needed here is like um, now what I'm doing is now even my brother and me we are establishing a we are actually working on a couple of things. My brother lives in Bangalore. He is MTech in artificial intelligence from Andhra University, and he works in a company
Yeah.
as well as he works on a side project. We work on a side projects.
Okay.
So what happens is like so what
One minute, 1 minute.
no problem, take care of your
Under yeah, he's my kid.
yes, I understand. Hello. Even I'm at home. Today is Sunday, isn't it? Are you there, Vardhan? I think we have lost Vardhan here. But anyway, I just want to wait for him to come. He will be coming. Hello, Vardhan, can you hear me?
Yeah. Very sorry.
No problem. No to mention as a sorry here. And I think it happens. And we need to understand this is Sundays.
Yeah.
We'll spend. Also, Vardhan, I just want to mention one more thing. Either
Yes,
you want
yes,
to
yes.
work on a project or tomorrow you become an entrepreneurship
Yeah.
or you want your own. You don't know, never happens. You never know what is going to happen tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
So whatever we do or you do or I do is like sweat equity. It is called you are investing your time, your thing to gain something in the future, you know.
Yeah.
That is what is a hard fact, whether you agree with me or not, because
No.
we all
That
want to do better in the lives. That is what it
yes.
is. So
I
put
do
your
agree. I do
100,
agree.
pardon me?
I do agree for that is what
Yes.
happens.
Yes, hard fact it is because whether we say or not, this is the fact. So based on that, what is required is how much value I'm going to create in the future to the people. Once you're creating value, you are more confident. People come behind you. You don't need to go behind the people. This is also applicable to anyone, even a person working in a company, a person working in a team, or a business person. If he is like, if you look at Apple products,
Yeah.
like Apple phone, Apple computers,
Yeah.
they provide a great value to the society. So really, they don't need to go behind the people. They wait for their products. People are waiting for their products.
Yes. Yes.
So same way, if you can put more into your whatever idea you have now, like you want to be part of the project, you want to part of the team, do best so that you will achieve it. Don't give it up. When you give it up, you won't achieve it.
Yeah. That is why I am searching for guidance, searching for say people like you who
Hmm.
tells what is to be done further. So how
Yes.
you do? So
Hmm.
I won't leave. I won't leave what I am expecting. Okay, so I won't leave
This
it
is
in the
very
middle.
important. Exactly.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
you got the main point. and
Yeah.
this is very important for everyone. Then your next step is like what kind of projects you want to. Are you able to work for a startup? Are you able to work on a startup idea? Are you, or you want to look for a big corporate project like a big companies maybe starting a project, they want to hire you or something. But what is your uh, because when things works, when you have a more clarity.
Yeah.
When you don't have clarity, things will not work, because
Yeah.
your mind actually does not accept vague things. If you know, okay,
Yes.
if I go this way, I find a mango tree and get two mangoes, then you definitely go in that direction. You don't go on the other direction. You may find or may not be find. You only choose certainty. You don't choose uncertainty. So same way, what is your means by project, working on a project? Big company, a small company, or a startup company? What is your plan right now?
So right now, I am not expecting to a big level thing.
Okay,
Okay, I'm not expecting for a big level thing. I want to work with a startup or a small project.
small project.
So
Okay,
because so we cannot handle huge things in with our two hands what God has given us. So we
absolutely.
cannot hold a mountain with these two hands. We can hold
I know.
a stone.
Yes,
So with that stone only, with that small stones and with a team of work only, we can able to climb a mountain. So like that, I want to start.
yes.
So yeah,
I think it's what is needed here. Anil is also a right person in that. Anil
yeah.
having a lot of experience, worked in many
Okay.
companies before. I will
Yeah.
introduce him. I think what is the time now? Because I'm here up to 11 o'clock your time. What is
It's
the time there
12:15.
now?
It's 12:15 over here.
Okay, 12:15. Okay. I think I don't know. I will talk to him, Anil, and I will connect to you. You might
Yeah.
have got his
Your mobile
phone
number I
number
have
or
it.
yes, Anil actually working on his ideas. Like he is connecting all the engineering colleges,
Hmm.
bringing people onto startup activities,
Okay.
bringing people together who is working on the startup ideas on a colleges level, engineering
Okay.
colleges level,
Okay.
so that if the people are coming on board with an idea, you are a great resource for them to give your knowledge on that.
Yeah, it
One
will be an
more thing,
honor for me.
yes, one more thing I want to emphasize is what you said is right. You have a regular job working on a
Yeah.
company now,
Yeah.
uh, and also you have a family. You need to justify for them because they need your
Yeah.
time.
Job is my bread and butter. Okay, for you.
Yeah, that is also very important.
Yeah, yeah,
And
important.
your personal life is also very important because you need to take care yourself. You need some rest. You need things. So on top of that, what you said is you have like maybe an hour or 2 hours or maybe 2 hours in a week time you can spend,
Oh, okay.
or maybe you can be on phone telling them or going online giving some direction, looking for reports, looking them data, hey, what is going on, which
Yeah,
project
yeah.
and which data, like you want to work on a lean startup project, one of that. What is going to happen is an entrepreneur or a aspiring entrepreneur, I say. So they will come
Yeah.
with an idea. What is your role will be there is like you want to when they go outside with the customer, their products are an idea, they collect the data. So like you have to measure particular things.
Yes.
So you will be defining what to be measured. Is a customer feedback or a product feedback. So you will be developing a metrics to those data
Yes,
and
yes,
telling
yes.
them what is working, what is not working,
Oh,
what need to
yeah.
be identified in a cost level, or what need to be focused on profit level or a revenue level. So those metrics. Actually, I have last time video. You can look at on my channel, YouTube channel. In those videos, I given some introduction about the business models.
Okay.
Those business models actually tells to create some metrics about that. So those metrics you will be handling or guiding them. So what I understand is you might have 2 to 4 hours time in a week, solid
Okay.
time. Is that right?
Yeah. Say it like that.
Yeah, 2 to 4 hours is a solid time you can spend with any project. Is a practical thing? Do you think so?
It will be somewhere around the daily. I can give my time because it's a 9 to 5 working hour only for me.
Yes.
Okay, so nobody will be after 5. Even though I
Yeah,
want to
but
work.
even then, we
Yeah.
see that okay, you might have 3
Uh,
hours
uh,
daily, 3 hours
yeah,
daily,
yeah, daily
3
2
hours,
hours
for
you can.
example,
Yeah,
3 hours you daily into
yeah,
5, that means 15. I
yeah.
take only 10% of it as a start.
Okay, okay. To start up with. Okay.
You put only 10% because whatever you do, you should not waste your time on travel. You should not stressed out. You
Yeah,
should enjoy that time with them, with that project, so that
yeah.
you can give a quality input from your side, if you agree with me,
Yes,
so that
yes. I
the
do.
people also more willing to work with you, because you focus on whatever, you will not go sit chairs or do something there. You only work on solid
What?
product or solid things. So I can say like start with 4 hours a week, for
Oh,
example.
okay,
So
okay,
what I will connect is Anil, and he's going with some of the engineering colleges. He's going to put as a
okay,
group of the people.
okay,
So if this is of your interest, maybe we can tie up with you. And
okay.
on the long run, how it is going to help you, we need to see how things works. If you are on board with a registered company, what is you get benefited and they got benefited, they are going to create a value, so that
Yeah.
how the value sharing will be, then it's a later stage discussion.
Okay, okay. That will be.
But no, but I think we need to be clear and clarity on each and every step. That's why I'm giving you these things in the beginning, so that
Okay,
you will
yes.
understand all that.
Yeah, I understand, sir. I understand.
So I think it's having you on this meetup is really, I am very happy with that, Urdhan. I'm
I
really
have,
happy
I
with
have,
that.
I am very much honored actually for being a part of Mr. Satya. So I have not.
Yes,
Yeah, I want to say something about you. Before starting this,
mhm,
I've just gone through your
mhm,
LinkedIn
mhm.
profile.
Okay.
So I have seen that you have worked in DRDO and
Yes.
later HAL.
Yes.
So people in India only think about a government job. So a government job mil gaya to it will be very good. So staying there for years, retiring there itself. So you have not gone through that. So I have heard
Absolutely.
many.
Absolutely. I have
Yeah.
many things to share in my life. Actually,
Yes.
I want to spread this lean startup across India.
Yeah.
This is just a start, not even
Yeah.
start. I can tell you, this is like creating a stage for it.
Yeah.
So people like you coming on board will have a bigger scope in the future,
Yes.
because when we tie up with real big startups, they will be
Yeah.
running bigger projects,
Yeah.
bigger investment to the each and every startup. So
Yeah.
people like you having a black belt certification is a great asset for them, because
Yeah.
nowadays efficiency is very important. Uh, you might have heard about Flipkart.
Yeah.
Is an e-commerce company in
Yeah.
Bangalore.
Yes.
They work hard day and night to do a better job. this is an example I'm giving you. Snapdeal or any
Yeah.
other company, lot of big startup companies are coming. They need efficient processes. They need a good quality system. They need to reduce the waste. They need somebody to see their entire value chain, value mapping to be done, so that the management team clearly see where to pinpoint the things.
Okay.
So your asset is in the future, especially people like you in Vizag area, interested to work with startups is a good idea. I think we will discuss more.
Yeah.
I think I will connect you with Anil. You can
Yes.
join together. That is the purpose of meetup. The
Yes. Yes.
meetup idea is not just giving somebody lecture. No, that is not
Mm.
the case. This
Yeah.
is like sharing
One.
each other. You want
Yeah. One to
something,
one interact.
somebody wants something. Yes.
Yeah.
You say
What I
something?
have seen, yeah, what I have seen, what I have seen in the meetup site, you said that first time entrepreneurs. No, I'm not an entrepreneur.
Yes.
Even though I'm not an entrepreneur, I want to explain myself to you. So I want to give my profile to you so that you can guide me and so that you can tell me something that this is the way you should go, or you can help me out. So I'm not the right person, or you can,
Definitely.
yeah, and
To start up entrepreneurship, it doesn't mean that only one person is doing the
yeah,
things. Here, the group of people.
yeah,
That's what is I shown that for cash flow quadrant is how
yes,
business is about working people together for a
yeah,
common vision, common reason.
yes,
So it is not that startup idea is not a one person idea.
yes,
It is the people need to work. Entrepreneur is not only one person. Any startup, everybody have an entrepreneur mindset. That is what I said, entrepreneurs. Otherwise, I would
yes,
have put it as a business person.
yes,
So I think it's a good start, Urdhan. But if you have any
yes,
questions or what you want, our next action, what I think is I will connect with Anil and
yes.
see what is
Okay.
his projects and things are coming up, so that
Yeah,
we can
yeah,
discuss more on that.
yes,
I,
yes. Very.
thank you. Nice talking to you, Urdhan.
Thank you, Mr. Satyaji. Nice, nice speaking and
Okay, take
sharing with
care.
you. Thank you.
Yes, yes. Actually, I think we will be because why I want to limit this time is we will be talking on a weekly basis,
Okay.
so that we will see who is doing what is and where we are, because
Yeah.
this consistency is very, very important. So we will
Yes. Yes.
speak again on next coming Wednesday. More
Okay.
people will be joining
Okay.
as we go on.
Okay.
Take
Time
care. Then
should
we will
be in the
see you next week.
evening. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I
Take care.
think we will change these things. This is also a learning style. Like we put this one. If the most people are wanted in the evening, I will switch to evening. It
Yeah.
doesn't.
It should be in the evening. I
Okay,
think
then I
for
will
me,
switch
for me,
to the evening.
for yeah,
I think this is a
for
good.
me.
No, this is a good feedback, because this is
Mm.
all the meetups actually must be either evening or something. So I will.
Yeah, or in the early morning, because meeting. See, what we have done is on Sunday. Sunday it will be free for everyone, so it worked
Yes.
for me.
Mm. No, I
Yeah,
think it's sometimes we need to learn these basic things.
yeah,
We miss those things. What I will do is I will switch this to either evening or early morning. I think
yes,
evening is much better.
yes,
Evening 5 or 6 o'clock may be better.
yeah,
So that or Saturday also, maybe I'm thinking about moving to the Saturday, but Sundays people are, as you said, is busy, because
yeah.
some of the working people, they don't want to spend on.
But what is your time over there, sir?
Now the time for me is about 9:30
In
in the
the
morning.
in the morning.
In the morning.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Morning and 9:30. Okay. Okay.
That's what
You
actually I'm
you
starting
decide that
early in the
only.
morning.
Yeah. Yeah. That
For
is very
me,
good.
it is. I get up around 5:30, 6 o'clock. I get ready.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what 8:30, 8 o'clock. I've done my things. So
Yeah.
what I will do is we will take this feedback. I will discuss with Anil so
Yeah.
that we can change the times.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Take care, Urdhan, and talk to you next week.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.